And,
Yeah, you can.
Do you have an actual physical restaurant?
Oh yes, yes.
Where is your restaurant?
I've got two branches actually, one in Surrey Hill and another one in Lal Qila.
Amazing. And do you tell the truth? Do you use Shan spice box?
Oh, I'm afraid no. You'll be disappointed. I'm not
It's a
using it.
pleasure, Sean.
So how did you come up with these recipes? Was it YouTube? How did you figure out how to cook?
Yes, actually, when I came in Australia, I done my commercial cooking here, but my background from Pakistan, we've got reception centers there with huge
Thanks, man. Thank you.
Perfect.
Can I have extra food tissues?
Okay.
Thanks, man. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
So you learned from your mum and yourself. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, if you come over here and you say my name for the next 10 minutes, everything is free. Thanks, bro.
No problem.